guys, so I decided to make this very quick video about my Aphogee 2-step protein treatment. I've been wanting to do this on my hair for maybe like 6 months. I've been seeing a difference in my hair where it just looks thin, like even you could tell, like right now I just came out the shower. I washed my hair with Jamaican black castor oil, strengthen and restore shampoo, and I put a little bit of conditioner in my hair so that I could detangle it in order to put the Aphogee 2-step protein treatment in, because it just looks thin. I don't know if it's because I need a trim. So I'm about to put in the treatment and see if it makes any difference. Normally my hair is super thick and full, but recently, the last 6 months, it's been super thin. Like I have very thin hair, but I had a lot of it, so maybe it's because I'm getting older. I'm not too sure. Maybe, like I said before, it's because I need a trim or a haircut. So yeah, we'll see how my hair comes out after the treatment. Okay, so this gets messy. I'm definitely gonna make a mess while I'm in here. Let me get a towel. This stuff doesn't smell too great, by the way, but I've used it before and it has really done my hair really good. It doesn't smell really good, so that's just like kind of a reason why I've been putting it off, because it's just not a pleasant experience, honestly. There's any like easier way to do this. You can do this in the shower, but you still have to like blow dry your hair, so that's why I don't do it in the shower. So after the product is in, you do not want to manipulate your hair because it gets hard and you don't want to damage your hair strands. So what I'm going to do right now is try my best to get my blow dryer the best way possible without getting so messy. BRB. This stuff gets very, very sticky too. So don't get this on your clothes or anything. I mean, this shirt, I like this shirt, but it's black. It'll be fine if I put it in the wash. But I'm going to blow dry it until it gets hard. Okay, so I just spent like 15 minutes blow drying my hair on the warm setting. It's still not completely dry, so I'm going to do it for like 5 more minutes. But while I was blow drying my hair, I thought about why my scalp might be itching, and it's probably because I washed my hair twice and I have nails. So if you're doing this treatment, don't scrub your scalp too much. Like save that for after you rinse out the protein treatment. But yeah, it's like super hard and sticky. This is a look. Imagine I went outside like this with sticky hair. I'm just like, guys, don't touch. No one would want to touch me anyway. It's not the best smell. It smells like bad apple cider vinegar. Like apple cider vinegar stinks, but it's like, you know it's apple cider vinegar, but this smells like you left apple cider vinegar on like a towel and left it wet for days, like moldy apple cider vinegar. That's what it smells like to me. Not that I've ever smelled it before, but I'm taking a very good guess. By the way, I am filming this video during the coronavirus I don't even know. I don't even want to speak about that. Not giving it any energy, even though it is so real. I've just been staying in the house, doing things like reading, spending time with Nova, exercising, cooking, cleaning, washing clothes, coming up with like new projects that I want to accomplish. So I've been scripting. For those of you who know what scripting is, if you want to know, ask me. It's just like, it's a whole thing. But yeah, I've been writing a lot and enjoying my time home. Like, I'm always on the go. I work full time and I do YouTube and I do other things on the side. So I'm really enjoying this time. Oh, text message. Yeah, so there's a lot of things I've been doing during this quarantine time. I don't know quite when I'm going back to work, but today's the 17th and my job said till at least the 20th. They are paying me as if I'm there, so that is a plus. But I'm really taking the time out to really feel for what I want. By the way, I know a lot of you guys may not know about this, but I do want to make my channel more of a spiritual channel where I talk about like meditation and the practices that I do. Also, my Saturn return is coming, for those of you who know about astrology. So my Saturn return is March 23rd. I definitely feel the energy already, and it first happened when my Instagram got hacked. Anyway, I'm rambling. I'm gonna dry this for a bit more because it's still wet at the bottom, and I kind of want the bottom, like the bottom is what needs the most care. Look at that. Okay guys, so I'm about to wash this out of my hair. As you can see, it is fully dry and crunchy. So I'm going to be using the Main Choice shampoo, and it's this one, the Easy on the Curls Detangling Hydration Shampoo. And then I'm going to be using, I don't have too much in here, but I'm going to try to use the rest of this Aphogee Balancing Moisturizer, because after a protein treatment, you definitely want to moisturize your hair. You don't want to dry it out. Like, after protein comes moisture, so it has to be balanced. So yeah, I'll be right back. I'm going to rinse this stuff out. So I rinsed my hair and everything, and then I got out the shower and I smelled my hair, and I was just like, it still smells like it, so I washed my hair again. It still has like a tiny bit of the smell in, so like I said before, wash your hair with a shampoo that is not going to dry your hair out. So this is a hydration shampoo. I really recommend it. Okay, so I'm going to put on the Jamaican Black Castor Oil leave-in conditioner. Just gonna do my hair in 2 sections because I'm not really trying to do a perfect wash and go, just because I'm literally going to be staying in the house. During these corona days, I feel like I have no one to impress. It's so funny. I don't know, like I just feel so free, and like normally I have a whole morning routine, and I realize like a lot of things I do is to look presentable in public, and it also makes me feel good too. But like the morning routine is not as long anymore. I'm currently single, so there's no one to look cute for. I'm not trying to start dating during this corona season. I'm gonna put some grapeseed oil. Hi, boo boo. Okay, so grapeseed oil and olive oil. I don't think I'm going to put normally do with washing clothes. But maybe I'll put a little bit. Make sure I get the ends. Hey guys, so this is the results from last night, and I will say my hair feels thicker and I'm so happy to see it. I don't know if you could see the thinness that I was talking about, but like in better lighting you could see that my hair is like kind of see-through. I don't know if you can see that. It doesn't look as bad though, so I will say that the protein treatment really helped me out. I'm going to be doing another one in about 3 weeks or so, because doing them back to back could be damaging. If you have like too much protein in your hair, that could break off your hair, so you have to be careful about like balancing moisture and protein. So yeah, I am excited. Definitely going to take better care of my hair, and I'm in need of a haircut. I'm gonna cut off about 2 inches. Like you see, like this part of my hair is super long and probably is dead. Like stuff like this needs to go. Any straight ends need to go. And hopefully my hair just looks better and healthier. And this wasn't the best wash and go, because I did do it last night and I fell asleep with my hair wet and I didn't have any gel. I put a lot of oil in it. But it looks good, and I really believe it's due to the protein treatment. So yeah, give this video a thumbs up if you're going to try this out for your damaged hair. I truly recommend it. Nova's back here doing a lot, so I have to go. Thank you for watching this video. Mwah. Peace.